Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming accounts and hardware. Sign into your Nintendo account and link it to your Epic Games account so Fortnite recognizes you. Once that's done, plug a compatible headset into the Switch dock USB or the console 3.5mm jack. Mobile app users should open the Nintendo Switch Online app. Then launch Fortnite and set audio voice chat to on. This allows the game to send and receive voice. Make sure your headset mic isn't muted. Once in Fortnite, navigate to Settings Audio and choose your voice channel. Party to talk with friends or game to hear all players in a match. Next, adjust voice chat volume and mic sensitivity so your voice stays clear without distortion. Lower sensitivity to cut background noise, raise it if teammates can't hear you. Use the in-game party system to invite one friend and speak. This verifies both incoming and outgoing audio. If needed, toggle push-to-talk so you finish by ensuring system permissions and connections are stable. If voice chat doesn't work, first check Switch system microphone permissions and the Nintendo Switch Online app permissions on your phone. Make sure Fortnite isn't blocked. Then restart the console, relaunch Fortnite, and rejoin the party. Repair any USB headset attached to the dock. If problems persist, switch to a wired headset or use the Nintendo Switch Online app on another device to isolate wireless latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.